A for?
Apple.
Tell me the sound.
A.
Very good. Good. Come. D?
B.
Hmm.
Ball.
Ball. What is the sound?
B.
Go. Very good. Come this side. C? Say loudly.
Cat.
Cat. What is the sound? Cat. How you are pronouncing? Say loudly. Tell me.
K.
Again.
K.
Very good. Go. D for?
Dog.
Sound.
D.
Again.
D.
Very good. Go. E for?
Egg. Egg.
Egg. Sound.
A.
Very good. F for?
Fish.
Fish. Sound. F. Say loudly.
F.
Very good. Go. Tell me G for? Gate. Sound. No? Gate. How it is pronouncing? G. G. Okay, go. H for? Hand. Okay. The sound of H. Tell me. H. Very good. Go. I for? Igloo. Very good. Again repeat. I for? Say loudly.
Igloo.
Very good. Sound. Very good. Go. J for?
Jam. Jam.
J for?
Goat.
Not G. J.
Jam.
Jam. Very good. Sound. J. Very good. K for?
Cat.
K. Not C. You are saying kite. Tell me. Kite. Say loudly. Kite. Kite. Sound.
K.
K. Very good. Good. L for? Lion. Very good. Sound. L. Very good. M for? Say loudly. Monkey. Very good. Sound. Very good. N for? N for? First tell me the word. Word. N for? I am not asking sound. Word. Nest. Sound. Very good. Go. O for?
Orange.
Orange. Tell me. Sound. Oh. Oh. Okay, go. P for?
Pink.
Pig. Sound. P. Very good. Go. Q for? Queen. Very good. Sound. What? Very good. Go. R for?
Rabbit.
Sound. Go. S for?
Sun.
Sound. Very good. Good. T for? T for? Train. Very good. Sound. T. Very good. Go. U for?
Umbrella.
Very good. Sound.
Umbrella ante first letter start చేసింది.
Very good. Go. V for
Gun.
van. Very good. Sound?
Bag.
B. Okay, good. W for
Watch.
sound? Wow. Okay, good. X for
X-ray.
sound? Okay, good. Y for?
Five.
Huh? Which color shirt you are wearing? T-shirt?
Yellow.
Huh?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes or no? Tell me the sound. A. Yeah. Yellow. Yeah.
Yellow.
Say.
Say no.
Say loudly, ma. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Z for
Zebra.
sound.
Z.
చెప్పు